Bonjour and welcome to French by Heart. Today we are going to learn about les nombres cardinaux de 0 à 20, the cardinal numbers from 0 to 20. Répétez avec moi. 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17. Here, for making 17, we are adding two numbers 10 and 7. Also, this hyphen, which is called trait d'union or tiret in French, is very important part of French number names. It is used when two numbers are added to form a new number. 18, 18. Here also we have added two numbers 10 and 8 to form 18 in French, and we have written this hyphen or tiret in between these and with. 18, 19. Again, 10 and 9 are added to form 19 in French, and we have added this tiret or trait d'union in between these and 9. 20, 20. Répétons. Let's repeat. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's it for today. Like and share this video and subscribe to the channel French by Heart. Merci.